Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 27th July current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. Drones and MTCR. Here in the announcement of Trump government has relaxed the exporting of drones to friendly countries. Here, what is this MTCR? That is Missile Technology Control Regime. It is an informal political understanding among different types of countries. Here, the use is to limit the proliferation missiles and missile technology. Here it was formed, this MTCR regime was formed in 1987 by G7 Group 7 industrialized countries. There are currently 35 countries or member countries are there. Here, when India will become the or have become the member of this MTCR, that is India become its member in 2016. Here the MTCR is not a treaty, that means open skies treaties, like different treaties are there. Here MTCR is not a treaty, it is a informal political understanding. That means MTCR does not impose any legally binding obligations on partners or members. Here MTCR does not have any formal secretariat. Here France serves as the regime's point of contact. That means headquarters is in MTCR headquarters or regime's point of contact is France. Next one, Hindustan Insecticide Limited India Limited, HIL India Limited supplied 20 metric ton of DDT to South Africa for their malaria control program. Here, World Health Organization also recommended that DDT is the efficient to control the malaria. Here, HIL India Limited is a PSU, that is public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. It is the sole manufacturer of DDT, that is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. DDT is full form is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is the sole manufacturer of DDT globally. Spraying of insecticides inside the human habitats, it is known as a indoor residual spraying, that is IRS, has to be proven to be a effective mosquito control tool. Here IRS is the proven to be effective mosquito control tool by the World Health Organization. That's why spraying of insecticide inside the human habitats. Here the properties of DDT is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane is a colorless, tasteless and almost odorless crystalline chemical compound. It is a colorless as well as tasteless and almost odorless crystalline chemical compound. It is about DDT and Hindustan Insecticides Limited India Limited. Next one, Navy Southern Naval Command commissioned the largest solar power plant in Indian Naval Academy at Ejimola on 22nd July 2020. Here the project has been executed by the Kerala State Electronics Development Corporation Limited, that is KELTRON, that is Kerala State Electronics Development Corporation Limited. Here it will help in the reducing the carbon footprint at Indian Naval Academy, that is Ejimola, located at Ejimola. This is the line with the Government of India initiative of National Solar Mission. There is a National Solar Mission to achieve the 100 gigawatt of solar power by 2022. India is known for largest solar power projects. Here the mission is National Solar Mission to achieve the 100 gigawatt of solar power by 2022. Next one, inland water transport. What is this inland water transport? When we are transporting any goods through the water or waters, we call it as a inland water transport. Here, this inland water transport comes under the Ministry of Shipping. Has this Ministry of Shipping MOS has decided to waive the water wave usage charges. Here, why immediate effect of this why water wave charges? Why? Because to promote the inland waterways. Here, the charges are waived initially for 3 years. After that, it will maybe extend, or it may be to it will may that Ministry of Shipping will further discuss about further. Here, water usage charge was applicable on use of all national waterways by big vessels. If you do on vessels, it will water usage charge will be applicable. Here, currently only 2% of total cargo traffic moves through waterways, remaining 98% through the road or by air. That's why currently Ministry of Shipping has decided to waive the water wave usage charges. Here, the decision is estimated to increase the inland waterway traffic movement to 110 MMT in 2022-23 from 72 MMT in 2019 and 20. Here, the achieve our target of 110 MMT. Next one, in the series of UPSC Prelims 2019, our previous paper analysis, we will discuss the 92nd question. For the measurement or estimation of which of the following are satellite images or remote sensing data used? Here, first option is chlorophyll content in the vegetation of a specific location, and second one, greenhouse gas emissions from rice paddies of specific location, land surface temperatures of specific location. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Options are here: A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 3 only, D 1 and 2 and 3 only. Here, all these options are right. Why? Because chlorophyll content used in the vegetation of specific location, and greenhouse gas emissions also used, or land surface temperatures are also used. That's why here the right option is D, that is 1 and 2 and 3. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.